Putting frames together one at a time can take forever. But with a simple frame jig and a brad nailer and glue, you can assemble strong square frames quickly and efficiently. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this step by step. Here's the parts that we'll be working with today. We have the top bar, 2 end bars, and the bottom bar, and the jig, brad nailer, Titebond 3. The jig itself is a basic wooden box with 4 holes drilled in the ends. The holes hold dowel rods that keep the frame ends in place during assembly. The frame ends sit between the dowels and the end of the jig. It keeps everything square, properly aligned while nailing. Once the frame ends are in place, I apply glue to the top of both end bars. Then the top bar is positioned onto the frame ends. After making sure everything is seated properly, I secure the top bar using 2 brads on each end. Next, I carefully flip the jig over, exposing the bottom of the end bars. Glue is applied to the bottom of the end frames, and then the bottom bar is installed. One brad is nailed into each end to hold the bottom bar in place. To strengthen the frame even more, I turn the jig onto its side. Then I drive 2 horizontal brads through the end bar into the lower section of the upper top bar. This helps lock everything together and creates a much stronger frame. Then I turn it over and do the same thing on the other end. Once all the brads are installed, then you can remove the dowel rods to release the frames from the jig. Now, all the frames are ready to set aside to dry overnight before putting in the foundation. God bless and have a great day.